Hello, in this section I will talk about cylindrical coordinate system. So where we use this cylindrical coordinate system, so in electromagnetic field theory there are some specific problems of cylindrical shapes. So these problems can easily be solved by using cylindrical coordinate system instead of Cartesian coordinate system. So the aim of this part is to consider the cylindrical coordinate system, and the cylindrical coordinates are expressed as rho, phi and z. So these are the coordinates here, rho, phi and z. These are the cylindrical coordinates. So in case of Cartesian coordinate system, three surfaces are the plane surfaces in which x plane, xy plane, yz and xz plane. And in cylindrical coordinate system involves a set of three mutually orthogonal surfaces. So we have three surfaces. Out of three surfaces, one is cylindrical while other two are plane surfaces. So any point P, you can consider this point here, any point P in this system is considered lying at the intersection of three mutually perpendicular surfaces. So you can see here this plane here, and this is the curved part here, and this plane here. So these are the three planes which are mutually orthogonal to each other. So three variables in these systems are rho, phi and z. So rho is the radial distance, actually this is the radial distance from z axis. This is z axis. So z axis is here in positive direction, and if I just consider here in negative directions also. So this rho is the radial distance of point P from the z-axis, and it is also considered as the radius of this imaginary cylinder passing through this point P. So the value of rho varies from 0 to infinity. Its value varies from 0 to infinity. So this is the main fact here. Now this P point lies at the intersection of cylindrical surface having radius this rho and a plane that makes an angle phi, that one plane, and a plane of for which z is constant, this plane. So here the three unit vectors a rho, a phi and a z, you can see here the three unit vectors are a rho, a phi and a z. So we have three unit vectors a rho and a phi and a z. So a rho, if I talk about this unit vector a rho, this is radially outward. You can see here this is radially outward from this z-axis, and it is normal to the cylindrical surface at the point P under consideration. And if I talk about a phi, this unit vector is perpendicular to phi constant. This unit vector is perpendicular to phi or to constant plane. So this is directed outward in advanced phi direction, you can see here. this is in phi direction. This is the angle phi and this unit vector is in phi direction. If I talk about the unit vector AZ, this is perpendicular to Z equal to constant plane, and is like Cartesian coordinate system. So this is the basic of this cylindrical coordinate system, and I will continue in next section.